Hello, my name is Jian, and today in this video I would like to show you how to export data from a database table into a Excel file. Okay, so I have database name is Aperture Work 2014 here, and let's go ahead to play with this. Okay, so for example, I have some data in the person table. Okay, and now I go ahead to export the data from this table to Excel file. You right click on the database name and you select the task. We have export data here. Click on the next button. You select the data source. By default I will select it the SQL Server Native Client 11. Select the username, SA and passcode. I go ahead to select the database the Adventure Work 2014. Click on next button. Okay, so now you have to choose a destination to copy the database. I go ahead to select the Excel file. Yes, we have to select the Excel file path. So I will name it, for example, tab one. I save it. Okay, the Excel file version is by default we will select the 97 to 2023. Next, and click on the first row has column name. When you export it to the Excel file, on the first row of column, it will display the column name. Like this one, email, promotion, additional contact information, blah blah. Click on the next button. We have two options here. The first option, you copy data from one or more table or view. On the second one, you are able to write the query directly on the editor. Okay, so I will show you step by step on each option. Select the option. First option is copy data from one or more table or view. Yes, it will list down all of the table here. And also if we have any view, it will list down here. For example, I will select the person table. Person. Where are you? Here, person table. I can edit the mapping. I will leave it by default. OK button. We can click on the preview to preview the data where it will export to the Excel file. Click on the next button here. Let it by default. Next. Run it immediately. Next. Here you can preview the summary information before it executing the exporting job. Hit on the finish button to execute the job. It will take a while if we exporting a lot of many records from the table into Excel file. For now here we are exporting all of the data from this table to the Excel file. So it will take a long time. Okay, so now click on the close button and go to the desktop. You can see here we have the test data file 1 already exported. Click on it to open. Yeah, you can see all of the data from the person table already exported to this Excel file. And the first row is a table name. Sorry, is a column name. After that, you can modify it to make it look better and able to deliver it to some department. Okay, close it. Now, if we select multiple table want to export the data to Excel file, and what happened? Okay, so let's try it. I will import data. I will do the same step as we did previously. Excel file. I will test 2. Okay, I have person. I want to find a person. Okay, person, phone number type. Click on the next, run immediately. Finish. We exporting the data from 3 tables, so it will take more time. Okay, let's close it. We have the test data file 2. Open it. Here, you can see on the bottom of the zip file, we have the person table already exported to this file, and under the sheet name is person, and the data of person phone export to this file as well, and with the sheet name is person phone, and another thing the same for phone number type. Okay, so meaning when you exporting on the a lot of okay, so when you exporting multiple data from multiple table from SQL Server to Excel file, so it will automatically create the corresponding Excel sheets to keep the data for that table. Okay. Okay, so now we will come back with the SQL Server, and now I will try to export the data based on the SQL script. Okay, for example, here I select top 100, 1000 person from this person table. So run it. I have 1000 row, and now I will copy this query. Right click, do the same step, export data. Next, shuffle 3. Okay, I will select option 2. Here, you can paste the query here. And you click on the path button here to verify the SQL Server statement. If have any wrong, so it will display the error message here. Okay, so I will try. Delete the select pass. So it will display the warning message here. And you have to, that means you have to write the correct script in this pop-up in order to get the data from the table. Okay, click on the next button. You can also edit mapping the same when you working with when you exporting the data from table. Preview as well. Okay, next, and next. Finish. Okay, close it. Data file 3. Yeah. Okay. It will fine. Okay, so now we try to export data from a view. It should be the same thing when you are exporting the data from the table, but in this video I would like to show it for you. Okay, so I will open another database name. I have already have the view here. Select. Okay. So now I right click on this database and export data. Excel file. That data for next. Copy. Okay, I have the view in product. Next, next, and next, and finish. Close it. Data from. Okay, so you can see here the data from the view already exported to this data file. Okay, so I hope this video will be helpful for you. And after you finish this video, you know how to export the data from the database table into a Excel file. You are able to export the data from a multiple table into a data Excel file, and you are also able to export the data from view and write the query what you want to export to the Excel file. Okay, here in my channel on YouTube, I have a lot of video regarding to the learn programming language, and especially I have the playlist which contains the SQL Server learning video, so you can come here and play with this. I hope you will enjoy with my with this playlist, and hope this will have fun for you guys. And you are also able to access my channel over YouTube/C/GNVS here. Okay, so I hope that help. See you in another video. Talk to you later. Bye bye.